Look at the little curly Q. It's so cute. Grow. Grow. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Tiff. Today we're going to try and recreate my best hair routine ever. So this last wash day, I don't know what I did correctly, but I had a really good hair day just on the first day. My days 2, 3, and 4 went to hell, but my first wash day, I had really light, bouncy curls. It was curling all over in the places that it normally doesn't curl as much. And I'm going to put on to YouTube today me trying to recreate that same routine with the same ingredients, the same products, so that I can make sure that this past routine wasn't just a fluke. You know, I wanna see if I can do it again. So yeah, if you guys want to see my routine and see what I did, please watch the rest of the video. I'll talk about the outcome, which is this, towards the end of the video. But yeah, if you guys are interested, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I just washed my hair with the As I Am coconut co-wash. This is the co-wash that I used to wash my hair last time, so I'm going to stick with it this time. I'm also going to wet my hair with some water since it's been a few minutes since I've stepped out of the shower. At the current moment, I do prefer wet styling over damp styling just because it helps my hair clump better and it helps with frizz. I'm going to go in with the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. I don't want to use too many heavy ingredients in my hair, especially since I did co-wash today. But this leave-in conditioner is going to be very helpful in giving my hair slip, especially when I use the Denman brush later on. And I'm just going to focus on the ends of my hair. I'm not really going to apply the leave-in conditioner to my roots. Always need coffee, guys. Drink your coffee. Get yourself going in the morning. I'm drinking it right now. It's literally my lifeline. Okay, so I'm just gonna split my hair into sections. I usually do 3 sections, and then I will use my Denman brush that has 3 rows on it to brush through my hair. This helps with providing better clumps and giving less frizz to my hair once the styling process is over. I use 3 rows because, like I said, I have fine hair that easily gets over manipulated. So I don't want to have too much tugging on my hair. And whenever I do 3 rows instead of the standard 7 rows that this brush normally comes with, it provides less tension and pulling on my hair that can snap very easily. And then I just like to put one of my fingers, usually my index finger, in between one of the rows because that gives me more control over how much tension I provide to my hair whenever I'm brushing it with the Denman. Whenever I get to the last section of my hair, which is the top section, this is where I'm going to put my hair in the desired part that I am aiming for. Then I'm going to use Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Mousse, and I'm just going to focus on applying it towards the roots of my hair. I don't really like this mousse as an all-over styling product just because it does cause buildup in my hair. I don't know if anyone else really struggles with this. Then I'm going to follow up with the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. This is one of my favorite Holy Grail products. I don't have an issue using aloe. Some people experience flash drying with this product, but I don't. It gives me a nice hard cast. I don't get any frizz with it, and it actually makes my hair look curlier, so it's a staple within my hair care routine. Whenever I first began wearing my hair in its natural wavy state, I was a little aggressive with the scrunching process, and lately I've been trying to be very gentle while scrunching my hair. I'm not too worried about having too many clumps in my hair, since I do think that having huge clumps can actually weigh down your hair and cause less curling. I just want to lightly scrunch so that I don't aggravate my hair at all and make it look frizzier in the long run. So then I'm going to follow up with 2 different types of gels. I'm going to do Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Gel and then Curls Goddess Curls Botanical Gel. Both of these gels are just okay in my opinion on their own. However, when applied together, they provide a much better hold, or they provide a much better outcome for what I'm seeking for my hair personally. My hair is highly elastic and it can get over moisturized very easily. So I actually do love using protein in my styling styling products, and the only protein I had was the Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner, and I only used a little bit of that. So the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk, although it's just an okay gel in my opinion, it does have a fair amount of protein, which is the reason I want to use it today. The Curls Goddess Curls is a very light hold gel. It's not going to provide a cast, which is something that I actually want in my hair because I do like a medium to strong hold gel, but I do like all the ingredients inside the Goddess Curls. So I put both of these gels together because they both have what the other needs, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so now it is time to plop the hair. Okay, so I'm just going to plop using a thick 100% cotton t-shirt, and then I'll just leave it in the t-shirt for about 15 to 20 minutes. I don't like to keep my hair up in a t-shirt for too long just because I don't want to cause any scalp issues later on down the road.
A few moments later.
After 20 minutes, I will take down my hair and then I will gently scrunch my hair with the t-shirt just to get all the excess water out before I begin diffusing. This is probably one of the most important steps in my hair care routine. I do see a huge difference whenever I do this versus any other type of plop. It really helps to get all the excess water out and to make my hair look curlier. So now after I've done all of my plopping, I'm going to add a little bit extra of the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk gel, and then I'll emulsify that gel in my hands using a little bit of water before I just gently scrunch it into my hair. I'm not going to use praying hands whenever I apply this gel as one of my last steps because I don't want to mess up the curl too much. So now I'm going to go in with the Cantu Thermal Shield Spray. This spray is not Curly Girl approved. It does contain denatured alcohol as the second ingredient, and it does contain shea butter, which is Curly Girl approved, but if you have fine low density hair like myself and you want to watch out for heavy butters and oils in your stylers, this will weigh down my hair just a little bit, but my other products don't contain too many heavy ingredients, which is why I'm okay with using this spray. So now I'll just diffuse with my head tipped over, and I kind of do like a hybrid hammock method. I'm just way too lazy to hold my hair dryer with that heavy diffuser for 15 to 20 minutes. So honestly, I just tip my head over, I put it on top of the t-shirt that I use to plot my hair with. And once my scalp and roots are dry, I will then just go back to diffusing the original way. And I always diffuse on low heat, low speed. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 to 30 minutes. I just put on some makeup real quick and I am going to now scrunch out the crunch. I did put my front two pieces back into a clip just because I wanted to get them out of my way. I wasn't doing it for volume or anything. It'd be nice if that was a byproduct of this, but I just really want to get it out of the way because I hate when my hair is in my face. All right, so let's get started. I don't have any oil or anything on my hands, and I always go into this with clean hands to make sure there's no makeup, oils, lotions on it because I don't want to weigh down my super fine hair. Actually, there are people that clap. Are you guys clappers? Or let's all be clappers today. I think actually this piece is a little damp still because that's a huge, this was a huge clump. Should I go back and diffuse? Nah, I don't care enough. Okay. Okay. Actually, I don't mind clapping. It kind of breaks the hard cast, and just so my hair isn't going in all different directions when I go into scrunch afterwards. Okay, so I think the hard cast is broken, so now I'll just go in normal scrunch. Crazy how my hair is getting curlier places that it's never been curly before in my life. It's always just been wavy or straight back here. So the fact that little ringlets are starting to form, only doing this for like 4 months, it's pretty awesome. It's a pretty fun experience. I'm not gonna lie. So I feel like my hair from the previous wash day turned out a little bit better. I noticed that with the previous wash day, my hair was the perfect amount of wetness. And I swear it's hard to explain. I didn't have to keep reapplying. I didn't apply water to my hair at all once I got out of the shower on this previous wash day. It just was evenly wet throughout, and I don't know, this wash day I had to keep reapplying water to my hair, which you guys saw. My hair maybe it's just really thirsty right now, I don't know, but it was really soaking up some water. I probably feel, at first I felt a little bit more buildup, and I do feel a little buildup in my hands. That's usually when I apply too much mousse, but that also could be because this is my second time co-washing. I did do an oil massage last night. I didn't use a lot of oil, but I did use oil on my scalp. So it could be a little bit of buildup because of that as well. But I still feel like I have volume, so my hair isn't being weighed down too much, which a lot of people experience when they co-wash or when co-washing doesn't agree with their hair. But yeah, it's still a good wash day. I'm actually still really happy with it, and I hope there's more good wash days to come. I think I'll continue to do this little routine. I feel like I'm finally starting to see some clarity in doing the curly girl method, because it can be quite overwhelming at times. I'm sorry, I'm talking with my hands a lot right now, just doing a little dance for you guys with my hands because I don't know what to do. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button down below if you did. Please subscribe to my channel if you want. You don't have to, but you can. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day wherever you are in this world, and I will talk to you later. Bye!